गोवा में बीच, बिकिनी और बियर तो हम सभी ने देखा और सुना है, बट इज गोवा जस्ट अबाउट देम? अगर मुझसे पूछो तो बिल्कुल नहीं. And that's why here are 5 fun and alternative things to do that will make you fall in love with Goa yet again. Although tourism has made beach shack food a synonym for Goan food, but the authentic Goan food is far from what we get there. और वैसे तो यहाँ की हर गली चांदनी चौक से कम नहीं है, बस ढूंढना आना चाहिए. Goa is a gold mine of natural beauty, and an intrinsic experience of Goa is incomplete without exploring its serene countryside. In my search for tranquil and quiet corners of Goa, I stumbled upon the state's largest river island of Diwar. Accessible only by ferry, Diwar Island still maintains its exclusivity and unique character. सबसे पहले तो अपनी कार को फेरी में डाल के टेकिंग द शॉर्ट राइड अक्रॉस द मांडवी रिवर इज इन इटसेल्फ अ प्रीटी फन एक्सपीरियंस. This slow ride not only is a unique way to travel but also gives a peek into the daily lives of the locals. Surrounded by marshlands and paddy fields, the drive to the village will feel like you have teleported to a different era. One where time has slowed down, allowing you to savor the raw Goan countryside. Around 60 kilometers from Panjim, the scenery and the color changes. The blues become greens and the beaches and parties give way to the solitude of Chorla Ghats. This place is a reminder that there is a hillside of Goa as well. It is a part of the beautiful Western Ghats, which is known for its famous waterfalls and biodiversity. If you are seeking refuge in nature's thrills and frills, then this is the destination for you. It is said that the heart of a place lies in their villages, and Goa has a beautiful and soulful heart. Neat and clean roads, colorful homes with a rich history, and a leisurely pace of life. While the village of Rashol houses the famous seminary and the oldest church of South Goa, the village of Aldona is lovingly described by its inhabitants as the most beautiful village in the world. Whitewashed churches, lush green fields, and a number of small and large bridges. This indeed is a fabulous place to enjoy the wonders of nature. कभी सोचा है कि गोवा जाके all we do is run from beaches to forts to churches and ultimately back home. But sometimes we have to take it slow to discover the very essence of a place. The excitement of stumbling upon a perfect little spot, the contentment of finding your own path based on guts and instincts, the joys of savoring the true flavors, and the happiness in sharing memories. Well, this is what slow travel is to me, and this is what makes the journey more meaningful. तो अपनी अगली गोवा ट्रिप में इफ यू इंटेंड टू एक्सपीरियंस अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ द सनशाइन स्टेट, देन हेड टू दीज फैबुलस प्लेसेस टू ईट, soak, and feel the magic of Goa.